We have some news right now. Christy Lee, the folk singer who canceled her Kennedy Center performance on January 14th because Donald Trump renamed it to the Trump Kennedy Center, is speaking out. She says that she's going to be performing at home instead of at the Kennedy Center. I also just spoke with her on the phone in an interview that'll be released later this afternoon on my Substack, linked in bio, so check it out. She said that essentially that she felt compelled to speak out in this moment, that she could not perform at the Kennedy Center because the name change was simply illegal, and that she looks forward to performing at the nation's cultural institution in the future once the name is changed back to the Kennedy Center. She thanks her fans, her supporters. She told me that she received a lot of hate from Trump supporters and those around the White House, but that won't stop her from speaking out. Spread the word. Let me know what you think when you watch the interview. Follow along for all the news you need to know about. More to come soon.